Hi, welcome to Tech Tools. In today's video, I will be showing you how to update Google Chrome browser on your laptop. First, connect your laptop to the internet. When you find out that your browser starts closing on its own or slow anytime you are browsing, one of the problem is because the browser is outdated. To fix that, open your Chrome browser. Please subscribe if this is your first time on this channel, and for my amazing subscribers, leave a comment below this video. At the top right section, click on the three-dotted icon. Scroll below till when you see the option that says, Help. Pointing at the Help option, you will see another option that says, About Google Chrome. Click on that. When your Google Chrome browser is outdated, it starts updating immediately. That will fix the hanging and slow browsing. I want you to watch this video till end, because there's a final step to take. It will take couple of minutes to update. You should be patient, but for this video, let me speed up the clip so we go to the final section. While you wait, drop a comment with the error you want help fixing. You can also join our WhatsApp group using the link in the description so we chat directly. Please subscribe. That will encourage us to make more contents like this one, and follow us on TikTok using the link below. When the update gets to 50%, you will be asked to relaunch the browser. Click on the relaunch button. Your browser then will automatically close and reopen on its own. I made a video on how you can install applications on your computer. Link is in description. For Google Chrome to relaunch, it will take couples of minutes. You just have to wait. Watch video till end for final steps. Google Chrome relaunching. Wait to see what's next. It will blow your mind. See what we have here. Chrome is now up to date. If this was helpful, subscribe, like, and share this video. Check description for recommended video.